In this video, we will show you how to achieve a perfect finish with Epifanes 2-part polyurethane yacht coating. Start by completely cleaning the gel coat with Epifanes Fiberglass Prep Cleaner. Followed by a sanding with sandpaper P180. Surface preparation is time-consuming, but it is essential for the best final results. After sanding, degrease once more. The second degreasing will also remove all sawdust and debris. Always take care of your personal safety, especially when working with polyurethanes. Wearing an appropriate mask and gloves is highly recommended. 2-part products cannot be applied under 12 degrees Celsius, nor at a relative air humidity above 75%. Before painting, always thoroughly read application instructions and safety precautions on the can. The first layer is Epifanes Epoxy Primer. The epoxy primer will fill the gel coat surface and will create a perfect bond. Allow the epoxy primer at least 10 minutes to react. For extra penetration into the gel coat, the epoxy primer is lightly thinned. Use a long-haired roller for applying the epoxy primer. Work systematically in one direction. Avoid applying too much pressure on the roller and always try to minimize visible overlaps. After a drying time of 12 hours, the boat is degreased in order to remove any possible amina blush. After degreasing, sand the epoxy primer with P180. For a super smooth surface, we apply Epifanes Poly-urethane Primer as a second layer. The mixing ratio of polyurethane primer is 4:1 by weight. Allow 15 minutes for the PU primer to react. For applying the PU primer, use a short-haired roller. Use masking tape to remove any loose hairs. Work systematically in one direction. Use a high-quality brush for all corners. Do not work too far ahead and avoid applying too much pressure on the roller. After a drying time of 6 hours, lightly sand with P240. Always remember, The smoother the primer, the smoother the final result. We finished this laser hull with Epifanes Poly-urethane in white 800. The mixing ratio of polyurethane yacht coating is 2:1 by weight. Allow the polyurethane top coat 15 to 20 minutes to react. For extra flowability, we thin down the top coat with Epifanes Poly-urethane Slow Reducer. For the final PU top coats, we use a fine foam roller. In this video, we will show you two methods to apply the PU top coat. The first layer will be done according to the roll and tip method. In this method, the wet film is generously and swiftly applied by a roller, followed by tipping off with a long-haired brush in the opposite direction. Because the thinner in the PU top coat will react with the foam roller, always ensure you have several foam rollers at the ready. When performing the roll and tip method, it is essential not to apply too much pressure on the brush. You only need to tip off very lightly. Between final top coats, lightly sand using P400. For the second method, the PU top coat is applied using only a roller. In this method, it is important to evenly and swiftly distribute the paint. After applying the wet film, finish by systematically and gently rolling over one last time with the foam roller. After 24 hours, this second coat has been cured. However, allow the paint system a full week to cure completely. Visit the Epifanes website for more information. The website offers a step-by-step explanation on how to build up a paint system. You will also find numerous tips and tricks for attaining the best final results. What is your next paint project?